Good day mga ka-CRT, welcome again to our channel. I'm going to present to you a sample worded problem in algebra, clock-related problem. I'm going to use conventional method and with shortcut. For our sample problem, what time between 7 and 8 o'clock will the hands of the clock be in opposite direction? Okay, so solve na natin tong problem na to. Okay, sa clock problem, gagamit tayo ng conventional method and shortcut. Sa conventional, ang tatandaan lang natin yung kanilang movement. Yung movement ng tinatawag nating minute hand. So, i-represent natin ang movement ng minute hand gamit ang x. Then, ang hour hand, x over 12 naman. Then, after nating mapakita yung conventional method, isusolve naman natin yung problem using the shortcut. Ang shortcut na gagamitin ko, yung tinatawag namin na Ham formula. Okay? Ang pinaka-equation dito, yung 60h plus and minus 2a equals 11m. H is hour, A is the angle, M is the minutes. Okay? So, let us try number 1. So, sa number 1, between 7 and 8 o'clock. So, ang pinakasimula ng solusyon natin yan, mag-drawing tayo ng clock. Okay? Ito yung 3, 6, 9, and 12 dun sa clock. Ang idodrawing natin sa simula ng solution natin, yung reference na time. So, kung 7 to 8, ang reference time natin yung 7 o'clock. So, ito yung 7 o'clock. Okay, this is 7, this is 8. So, ito ang initial position ng ating solution at 7 o'clock. And then, i-consider naman natin ang condition na dapat yung minute hand tsaka hour hand opposite to each other. So, ito yung magiging illustration yan. Okay? So, from 12, gumalaw yung minute hand dito. Then, gagalaw din ang hour hand. So, para ma-establish yung opposite to each other, ito yung magiging illustration natin. Okay, lagyan na natin ng mga variables. Nabanggit natin, ang movement ng minute hand, nire-represent yan as x. Then, ang movement naman ng hour hand, ire-represent yan ng x over 12. Then, gagawa na natin yan ng equation. Ang paggawa ng equation, dulo-dulo yan, or boundary to boundary. So, yung sinasabi nating boundary, magmula dito, then, ititrace natin ng clockwise, hanggang dito yan. So, gagawa natin ng equation, magmula dito sa minute hand na to, hanggang dito naman sa hour hand na to. Okay? So, mag-start tayo dito sa minute hand na to. So, pag gumalaw yan hanggang dito, i-represent natin yan ng x. Okay? Ang objective natin, i-trace yan hanggang kabilang boundary dito. Okay? Kung nag-move tayo ng x dito, ano naman yung movement natin from this point up to this point? Okay? So, yun ay in terms of minutes dapat. Okay? So, from this point, pag tinrace natin hanggang dito, 30 minutes yun. Okay? So, yun yung boundary to boundary, x plus 30. Pwede pa nating i-equate yan sa iba pang solution natin. Kung magsisimula naman tayo dito sa portion na to, itong small movement na to, x over 12. So, ito yung x over 12. Pag tinrace naman natin yan, magmula dito sa point na to, sa arrow na to, hanggang dito sa arrow na to, counterclockwise, pag tinrace natin yan, 35 minutes. So, i-add natin dito yan. Okay? So, ito na yung ating pinaka-solution. Isosolve na lang natin yung x. So, solving for x, ang lalabas dyan, 5.45 minutes. Pero ang tanong dito, what time between 7 to 8 o'clock? Therefore, ang final answer natin is 7 o'clock and 5.45. So, kung AM yan or PM man, hindi naman nabanggit sa problem. So, gamit naman ang shortcut. Okay? So, gamit ang shortcut, substitution tayo. 60H, ang H na gagamitin natin, yung reference natin. O yung, kung between 7 to 8, yung 7. Yan yung reference time natin sa simula ng solution natin. Plus and minus 2A. Yung A yung angle na condition. Kung opposite in direction, 180 degrees. So, dapat naka-degrees yung angle. Equals 11M. So, dito may dalawang solution tayo, plus and minus. Okay? So, gamit ang plus, makakasolve tayo ng M. So, dapat yung M natin, hindi lalagpas ng 60 minutes. Okay? So, pag ginamit mo yung plus sa shortcut natin, yung M, masosolve natin na 70.9 minutes. So, lumagpas to ng 60, kaya invalid na tong answer na to. So, try naman natin yung negative dito sa solution natin sa shortcut. Kapag ginamit mo yung negative, ang masosolve natin sa M, 5.45 minutes. Okay? So, itong problem na to, pwede siyang masolve kahit hindi ka nagdo-drawing. Basta alam mo yung Ham formula. So, balik tayo dito. Ang final answer natin, since nakuha natin yung minutes, ang tanong kasi dito, what time between 7 and 8 o'clock? So, 7 o'clock and 5.45. Yan ang answer natin using the shortcut. Next naman, using the previous discussion with the shortcut, try this one. What time between 4 to 5 p.m. will the hands of the clock form an angle of 30 degrees? So, meron ditong two possible answers. Meron tayong 4 o'clock and 16.36 p.m. Or, pwede rin kayo mag-arrive sa 4 o'clock and 27.27 p.m. This is the end of this video. Thank you again for visiting our channel. You can leave a comment and also please like, share, and subscribe to this channel. Thank you and God bless to all.